Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to reopen a recently closed tab on Safari. Let's have a look. For this video I am using iPhone 17 and iOS 26. First, open Safari app on your iPhone home screen, tap three dots on bottom right and tap New tab. Browse any page. Here I'm browsing Apple Watch Series 11. To close this open tab, tap three dots on bottom right and tap all tabs. Now tap cross sign on the open tab. That's it. That open tab closed. If you would like to reopen that closed tab, tap three dots on bottom right and tap all tabs. Now long press on plus sign in the bottom left corner. Here you will see all closed tabs. The last one will be your recently closed tab. For my case, that was Apple Watch Series 11. Tap on that to reopen closed tab. That's it. These are the steps to reopen a recently closed tab on Safari app. Also, you can tap three dots and tap bookmarks. Go to history and you will see recently closed tabs. So these are the steps to reopen a recently closed tab on Safari app. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.